Okay, welcome back, guys. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like, and share. So, let's take a look at gold for the day, which is for the 13th of January, right? So, yesterday we did analysis for today, right? I talked about if in case CPI that will be released today comes out well, if it comes out good, then we tend to see we will be expecting a drop on our gold. But if in case it does not comes out well, it comes out bad, then we expect gold to actually give us that bullish move, right? So in case we see that there was no really much, positive, movements, or let's say news that came out today on CPI, that is one of the reasons why DXY or USD index actually dropped. So this is one of the reasons why gold is actually giving us a bullish move. Now, to be able to predict this price for the next day, I think a pullback needs to play out. Once the pullback plays out, then we would continue our bullish move. By the way, have it in mind that gold will continue to go bullish. Maybe next week, you will see more bullish move on your gold. But we would want to know where this price will be moving for the next day. I think a pullback needs to play out. So if in case the pullback does not play out, no problem, it is fine. But I think a pullback will play out. Once you take a look at this, your DXY or USD index, you know that there's a correlation between this DXY or USD index to our gold. Once there's a drop on this DXY or USD index, gold tends to give us a bullish move. But when there is a bullish move on this our DXY, we tend to see a drop on our gold. So this is one of the reasons why we're having it good. But as at now, if you take a look at this recent move, right, that is playing out on this DXY, you see that it is a drop, a new lows has been formed, right? You can see this movement like this as lower lows, a lower highs, another lows here, then a lower highs. If you take a look at this movement, a lower lows and a lower highs here. So now if you see this DXY or USD index, a loss has been formed. So after this loss, what do you expect? Of course, you expect a pullback, which will serve as a bullish move. So once this pullback plays out, which will go bullish, then we expect gold to also give us kind of like a bearish move as a pullback before it continues a bullish move. Though it will be more, it should more reflect on the forward time frame. Watch it on the forward time frame, maybe not on the daily time frame, but we should sit on the forward time frame. So let's expect a pullback to be made. Once the pullback is made, if there will be much movement for the next day, for which is on the 13th, right? Then we would expect this gold to drop, then give us that bullish move that same day, or we might end up closing bearish for the day. So just don't know how price will pay out. But one thing we know is that gold needs to give us a drop before it goes bullish. So watch out for it. And you can see we are still trading above this 10 period simple moving average. So this gold is still in a bullish move.